$1,600 in one day with this affiliate system. So let me show, as you can see on your screen, for the purpose of showing you this is the real. As you can see over here, I will click on it, right over here. You can see it's real, right? $1,600. So how is this done? I'm going to show you exactly in this video, step by step. So let's go first of all and look at Google Ads. Why I'm choosing Google Ads again, you'll see and understand why Google Ads are very important. But first of all, what is my budget? When you're seeing amounts like this, you're sometimes worrying or thinking, okay, heck, tell me how much have you spent, right? Because you can do, as you know, as an affiliate, you can do paid traffic, which is mean run paid ads and media buying, right? Or on the other hand, you can do SEO or free traffic, free affiliate marketing, right? Free traffic. So that would be like social media campaigns. That would be like email marketing. So these are free methods, right? That you could deploy. But in this case, let me show you what is the Google ad budget, right? Google pay-per-click or Google search. I always say like that, when you start, right? Even if your budget is $500, $1,000, $200, or $100 per day, doesn't matter. You have to understand what is budget deployment. No one is talking about that. So I'm going to show you the numbers over here. For testing purposes, it's 20%. So 20% of your whole budget should be for testing. Another 20% is for verifying. Another 20% is for optimizing. That's 60% of your budget, and the rest, like 40% left, it's to scale. Because at optimized level, you should already know this is the winner. You should already have a winner, right? Ad that's doing really, really well and that's bringing you sales. And then you can just scale up with the rest of, with the last 40% of your money, right? Of your last dollars that you have for ads. So that's how it works. It's a budget deployment. Now, you have to think like a sculptor, right? We are sculpting and pruning campaigns on Google. We are not just throwing everything to the wall and hoping it sticks, right? I always say no, start with 3 campaigns, 3 to 5 Google ad campaigns, and then put different keywords in each segment. Now, if you are newbie, maybe you can make a mistake and put 9,000 to 900 different keywords inside. And I would not suggest you that. Why? Because you cannot basically and possibly, you cannot convert this and you cannot track this. So go with 1 to 5 keywords per ad campaign. So we are thinking like a sculptor, as you can see right over here in the image. We are pruning our campaign to make it a winning campaign and then scale our campaign on Google Ads, right? Now, we invest in data, right? Most people are afraid to put money anywhere. They are just scared to put money inside any ads or coaching or whatever, because they think, okay, if I'm not getting 900% return in one day, then possibly it doesn't work or it's a scam, right? So that's why most people fail, because they don't understand that they are investing in data. They're not playing around. If you have someone to help you along the way, one-on-one, step by step, you will understand that it's all about investing in data, right? You're buying data, and then you can adjust the data and make money, right? You can make long-lasting, reliable, sustainable campaigns on Google. Now, first of all, with ad creation, what do? Right? I need to know who is it? Who is my market? That's the market map. What is the problem? Empathy map, right? It's what I'm giving you. Then you have desire and action. So action is what? It's landing page, pre-sale page, and you have to pre-sell 5 points on your landing page or pre-sale page if you want to convert to sales with your traffic. No matter what ads, Facebook ads, TikTok ads, or Google ads in this case, right? It's all about having the right landing page, the right pre-sale content, and connecting with your audience in the right way. Now, if you're watching this video, if you want to get results with Google Ads or affiliate marketing or ClickBank, MaxWeb, any affiliate network out there, but what you can do next is you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, right? You can subscribe over here. You can follow me on my Instagram, right? All the links are below this video, or you can even reach me on Facebook, WhatsApp, or email. So every link is below in the description under this video. So, how to get more help? You want to get more help. You want to make money with affiliate marketing, with Google Ads, sustainably, step by step over time, without having to sit to some darn 8 weeks or 6 weeks long course watching videos at home, right? So if you want to get something done together, what we have weekly Zoom calls, we have new affiliate marketing news. You can join this free Facebook group in the links below, and giving out weekly new hot offers to promote that are proven to work, that you can make big commissions with, right? It's very important. Proven offers that are high quality. So basically you are providing value to the end customer, and you are also making good money promoting the offers. So if you want to get these super bonuses for free, let me know below this video, right? Are the links. You can join that Facebook group for free. You can DM me on Instagram, right? If you want to get results, if you're serious about moving forward and getting results. So at the end, I'll tell you this, right? Analysis, overthinking, leads to paralysis. I mean, you're not taking action, right? And time is ticking just like that. So one person with a commitment is always stronger than 1,000 people with an interest, right? If you only have interest in watching this video, then you can just unsubscribe. You don't have to watch this video. You can just be here to watch and do nothing, right? I think you have better things to do with your time than if you really don't want to take any action now, then you can unsubscribe. So you can imagine, right? If you had to get a real job working for some asshole you hate because other people learned this skill of affiliate marketing and how to buying ads online, and you didn't, and they got results but you didn't, right? You can imagine that. So it would be really bad. But if you take action now as you're watching this video, and you have someone to help you through step by step along the way, then you can also move forward and start generating results with affiliate marketing. So again, subscribe to this channel and see you in the next one.